To connect your Motorola Moto G15 with a car, first we'll need to open a settings on our device. Then we can scroll down to the connected devices. And right here from the list, go for connection preferences, which will show you Android Auto on the bottom. Now, if you click on it for the first time, it will transfer you to the Google Play Store and you will need to update Android Auto to its newest version. And then you will see a Connect Car button. Click on it and here's two options that you can use to connect it with your car. First one is to use a cable that is compatible with your vehicle and your phone. So just connect them together and you should see a further setup instructions. Then on the bottom there's also option to connect it using wireless Android Auto, that means Bluetooth settings. So you need to enter a pairing mode on your car and then click on this option and wait till your car is visible below right here, and then just click on it and confirm the pairing, and that is basically everything.